everyone, I'm Shira from Adelante and today we'll talk about triggers. Let's dive in. Triggers are business rules you define that run immediately after a ticket is created or updated and automatically perform actions if specified conditions are met. Triggers contain conditions and actions. You combine these to create an if and then statement. Common ways to use triggers are set ticket properties such as status, priority, or assignment, sign or route a request through the use of groups, and send a notification when an agent or customer needs to know about the update or a change to a request. Every time a ticket is created or updated, all your triggers run in a cycle against that ticket in the order the triggers are listed. A trigger will fire and update a ticket if its conditions are met during the cycle. If a trigger updates a ticket during the cycle starts over. All the triggers run again, except any triggers that have already fired and updated the ticket. Let's add a trigger that let the requester know the ticket was updated. Here in the Admin Center, choose Objects and Rules. And under Business Rules, choose Triggers. On this page, we can see all the active triggers in the moment and also the inactive ones. Use the Option button to do all sorts of actions. Edit, clone, add trigger below, edit order, or deactivate. Let's add our new trigger. I'll call the trigger, let the requester know about a new update. You can add a short description and define under which category will this trigger be. I have only messages, but I can add different categories here. I'll go with messages for now. Now let's add conditions. We have two types of conditions. Meet all of the following conditions and meet any of the following conditions. The all conditions, as you've probably already figured out, must all be true. If a single condition statement in the all conditions section fails, the trigger will not act on the ticket. On the any section, if either of these conditions is true, the trigger will fire. If you use only one condition in the any section, it will behave like an all condition, and therefore must be true for the trigger to fire. I'll add two conditions under the meet all. Add condition ticket is updated. The second condition will be comment is public to make sure the update is not internal. Now let's add the action. Email user, requester and CCs, and add a relevant email to let the customer know the ticket was updated. You can use different placeholders like the ticket title, description, URL, ID, and more. When you're done, press on the Create button. That's it. You've created your first trigger. We've reached the end of this lesson. I hope you got all the information you need. Thank you for watching.